video. Today we're going to talk about the future tense and the past tense in Paul. I hope you enjoy it. Nashikot, bye bye. So guys, before we start with past tense and future tense, let me show you again the sentence we used the last time in video number 17. It was the example sentence for the present tense. The office is closed. Well, this is not the sentence we are going to put into past and future tense. How did we say that actually? Do you remember? The office is closed. המשרד סגור. Closed is סגור. So keep that in mind, that one part you already learned. Closed means סגור. Now we go to the office was closed and the office will be closed. And to make sure you're not falling into panic, look at what you already know. The office you know and closed you know. And we are gonna now look at was and will be. So the office is המשרד and closed is סגור. What is left is was and will be, which goes here in the middle. And for this we need להיות, to be. And once we have done that, of course, we change the syntax. We don't read from left to right, we read from right to left. So we change the order of the words and then we are done. Okay? Now we look at להיות. This is the one that you really need to complete the sentence and nothing else. All the rest you already know. So, past tense of להיות. Here it is. And now we read it together. הייתי, היית, היית, היה, הייתה, היינו, הייתם, הייתן, היו. Now, what are we interested in? We are interested in one of those plus Paul. This is how we get to the past participle in the past. So we take the past tense of להיות plus Paul, which is the one here, right? So the office was closed. We start with what we know. The office, המשרד. Was, היה. Closed, we already know, סגור. And here's your sentence. The office was closed. המשרד היה סגור. And this is the one that you take here from this parents overview, present tense, Paul, because Paul is not mentioned anywhere else. And then you add the past tense from להיות, and this is how you make it. Now, future tense, exactly same story. We take להיות, and then we put it into the future tense. Here it is. And now we read it together. אהיה, תהיה, תהיי, יהיה, תהיה, נהיה, תהיו, יהיו. And here we do exactly the same. We are interested in the whole list and then we pick one, we add Paul, and then we have the past participle in the future tense. And here again, we take the only Paul that exists. Now, the office will be closed. Again, we start with what we know, the office, המשרד. And now, will be, יהיה. And closed, we already know, סגור. And here's your sentence, המשרד יהיה סגור. So before we finish, let me give you the overview. So when you look at the sentence, you see that the only thing that is changing is actually the tense. So the office is always the same, closed is always the same. Very important, closed is always the same. You got it? So once you understood Paul, you are done. Then you change only להיות. So the office was closed. המשרד היה סגור. In the past tense. Now the future tense, the office will be closed. המשרד יהיה סגור. You got it? I think once you get accustomed to that, it's actually okay.